We always say we're going to pursue our dreams one day. We're going to start that business one day. We're going to travel the world one day. We're going to get in better shape one day. It's time to step into the fire and step out of your comfort zone, as the legends before you did, rising above the ashes of those who paved the way for you to be here today. This is your time. This is your opportunity. Today is your day. This is day one. Day one of the rest of your life.
Is it one day or is today your day one? In other words, how do you live? What is your mentality? I had a dream of playing in the NBA, but I had to become an NBA ball player. I dreamed of being a Hall of Fame motivational speaker, but I had to become a Hall of Fame motivational speaker. Your dreams are no good if you're not willing to become. That one day won't happen until you become. And when I talk about become, you must become legit. You can't fake this thing.
The one thing that you must understand is that you don't get any do-overs. Once your day ends, that's it. So what action do you need to commit to taking today? When you set a goal, there needs to be a sense of urgency.
You gotta pursue. You get in that ocean and the shark pursues. You go in the jungle, the lion pursues. So can I ask you a question? Are you a dreamer or are you a chaser? How long have you been thinking about this one day? How long have you been talking about this one day? How long are we going to talk about it? How long are we going to dream about it? How long are we going to fantasize about it? How long? You tell me.
It takes grit. It takes sacrifice. It takes time and energy. It takes extreme focus.
Go get it. Go get it. Go get it. Go get it. I want to be that voice for you to stop dreaming and start chasing, start pursuing. But most importantly, you got to become.
Today is your day. Today is day one.
See, a lot of people always talk about one day it's going to happen. One day I'm going to do this. One day I'm going to do that. So that's my question for you right now. Is it one day or day one? You're going to fall on one line or the other. Is it one day or day one? Here's the truth. The doers do and the dreamers dream. Hear me clearly. The doers do and the dreamers dream. So the question is, are you a doer or a dreamer?
You've got to put some action behind your words. Your wins aren't always going to be big. In most instances, they come in small increments. Just like our days come in 24-hour increments.
See, your mama can't do it for you. Your daddy can't do it for you. Your girlfriend, your wife, your husband, they can't do it for you. This is all on you.
So are you wishing or hoping that you will succeed? Or are you demanding that you succeed? It's time for you to be bold. It's time for you to truly understand the value of what you bring to the world.
I don't want you just to chase your dreams. I want you to catch them. But you gotta start chasing right now. In other words, you gotta pursue success. Pursue success. You gotta pursue.
Discipline sounds hard, but it's only hard when you don't want the reward bad enough. When you want something bad enough, you will wake up early. When you want something bad enough, you will pass on hanging out with your friends. When you want something bad enough, you will not back down.
See, you pull on your hopes with your daily efforts. Pull on your dreams with your daily efforts. But who do you need to become for this manifestation to be real? For this manifestation to be legit?
You don't have to prove anything to anyone but yourself.
So my final question for you, is it one day or day one? Is it one day or is it day one? Is it one day or is today day one?